Hello, you're welcome again on another edition on paints. All you need to know about paints. Here in this edition, I'm going to be teaching you the things you should know about paint, not just on paint production, but the common mistakes that producers do and common mistakes that painters do. Again, you as a house owner, the thing you should also know about paint when somebody is supplying you a bad paint or a good paint. I am Benjamin Okechukwu. You can call me Bensity, Bensity Paints and Bensity Interiors. In case you buy a paint in the market and notice that after the painter finished painting, maybe while he was painting, the thing got dry and you touch the paint, maybe I notice that you see some kind of stains on your hand. What do? Just quickly go to the market and buy just at least half kg of acrylic or 1 kg of acrylic. Pour it inside the paint bucket, turn it with a stick on your hand, then tell the painter to continue. Or you're a painter, you notice that the paint you bought has this issue that after you finish painting your first coat and the thing get dried and you touch the paint and the thing is staining your hand. What do? Just quickly go to the market, get maybe 1 kg of acrylic, put inside the pocket, or probably half is enough, put inside the pocket, you turn it, you're good to go. As you can see, this is my paint, nothing like that, no stain, sweet. That's how you know identify what's a good paint. Secondly, there's another way you also identify a bad and a good paint. So, number 2, before I continue, first of all, like this video, share it. Thank you. Then let's move over to the next video.